So children, let's move to our next chapter of our syllabus, that is lesson number 14, plants around us. And this is part 1 for this chapter. It's on page number 97. So open this page. Plants around us. We see many plants growing around us. They need air, water, and sunlight to grow. They make our surroundings fresh and clean. So plants need water, air, and sunlight to grow. And they are very important for us as they make our environment or surrounding fresh and clean. Next is parts of a plant. In parts of a plant, we will study different parts of a plant. Now look at the picture on the screen. It's on page number 97 of your books. Let's start from the top. First one is flower. You all know what is flower, right? So flower, that is one first part of the plant. Next is fruit. Children, plants gives us so many things like shelter, wood, and fruit. Fruit is one of the part of a plant, and fruits are very healthy. So we must eat lots and lots of fruits. All right. Next part is leaf. This also I guess you all know. Leaf. It is in green color. You can also check it in the picture. Now next on the right side, bud. Bud, what is bud? It is a small part of a plant that develops into a flower or leaf. All right, so it's called bud. Then stem, the central part of the plant. And at last, down, root. It's a part of a plant that is under the earth, that grows under the earth. All right, so they all are the parts of a plant. Flower, fruit, bud, leaf, stem, and root. All right, this is very important. So try to learn it. Next page is page number 98, types of plant. Now we will read different types of plants like trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, and climbers. First, let's read about trees. So let's start. There are different types of plants. Some plants are big and tall. Some plants are big and tall. These plants are called trees. So the big tall plants are trees. All right, children. So you must have seen big and tall plants in the school playground also, right? So they all are trees. Like for example, mango tree, palm trees, etc. All right. So and trees have a thick, strong stem. The stem is very thick and strong. That is called trunk. Check the picture. Now trees means tall and big plants have a thick and strong stem. As you can see in the picture, stem is too thick and strong. This is called trunk. All right. A tree bears fruits and flowers. They also have branches and leaves. So tree gives us fruits and flowers and so many other things. and it also have so many leaves and branches. All right, and some of the examples of trees which are given in your books are banyan tree, and it is our national tree too. You all know that, right? Next is mango tree, palm tree, and pine tree. Just look at the stem of these plants. They are so strong and thick. These plants are called trees. All right. Now next type of plant is shrubs. Now what are shrubs? The plants which are smaller than trees are shrubs. They have thin brown woody stems and branches. Now some plants which are smaller than the trees. Trees are very big and tall plants, and the plants which are smaller than trees are called shrubs. And some of the examples of shrubs are rose, cotton, and hibiscus. You can also check their pictures in your books. All right. Now next type is herbs. Now what are herbs? Herbs are very small plants. Trees, big and tall plants, shrubs, plants which are smaller than trees, and herbs, very small plants, are called herbs. All right. And they have very soft and green stems. The stems, green stems, soft and green stems. Examples of herbs are mint, coriander, and grass. Okay, so they have green stems, soft and green stems. Okay, so they are herbs, very small plants. Next, on page number 99, climbers and creepers. Now, what are climbers and creepers? Climbers and creepers are both have soft and weak stems. Climber also and creeper also. They have very soft and weak stems. All right. So first, climber. What is the meaning of climb? First, the name is climber plants. So what is the meaning of climb? Climb means to go up or to go towards the top of something, right? So climber needs support such as a stick or a wall to stand straight. Okay, so these plants grow upward and they need some support to stand straight, such as money plant or grapevine. The pictures, you can see the pictures on the screen. Then creepers. Now what is creeping? Creeping means developing or moving slowly. Creeping means developing or moving slowly. So creepers are the plants which slowly grows along the ground. All right. They slowly grow along the ground, such as pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon, etc. So climber and creepers. Some example of climbers are grapevine, peas, and money plant. Peas is not mentioned in your book, but peas is also an example of climber. So plants which grow upward and need support to stand. An example of creepers are pumpkin and watermelon. plants which grow along the ground. Okay. So now we are done with 5 types of plants, that are trees, herbs, shrubs, climber and creeper. Right? And we are left with aquatic plants, how a plant grows, uses of plants, book exercise and question answers. This we will do in our next part. Till then, just revise your chapter for better understanding. All right. Thank you.